Fana sekese koma asafrade say na Adom ne pe no ahwe so abomba ma de paachi ene so ya de chefro ene okuada sene bia meka cho say ade chi ade sembre ne kwa ne sa wanyo say ye nu ba bia enche ye wie the 6th month yakọ the 7th month every ni pafa crap so nyame adma next week Monday ye de ni me Ghana samtwefo ekwa abato so patuma me akwase adwuma picture no Ghana samtwefo ekọ abato so ne akoto abade yi epanifu a ebeda Ghana Journalist Association ekuno ano na this time our own the news editor of Adom FM Akwasi Ajiman, a PhD candidate as race in the General Secretary position of Ghana Journalist Association. It is for 890 year a fee man debate me to abano. Yanka Akwasi Ajiman. He will say he stands for integrity, transparency, and accountability. Obi oni Akwasi Ajiman aye adwuma from Peace FM days. Ebesi ene adomi. Ebeka no asema kyerɛw. Perepeyo. Yempre omanfo punto ne ye odiode. Utimi nya Akwasi Ajiman FM frame. Eti there are over 800 journalists this Monday. Yebeto abanian ka Akwasi Ajiman to abamano as the General Secretary of GJ. Weba afi the African fans start pictures in there weba enom no di nkomo bi na amefa na sekese koma the IGP and Ghana Police Service akwada bi enu e show the video na amanfo ebo no a 12-year-old boy ya hanging wodua so na ya bu no na ya stripping naked ya strip ya akwada ni naked ya ni ya bu no eno aye kan ya police for 1 more ama sadi pamienu a na ebu akwada no yetimi akwakochire omo. And this is a quick statement from Ghana Police Service. Osi police rescue tortured victim in viral video. 2 suspects arrested. The police in Half Asni division has rescued a 12-year-old boy who was in a viral video tied with a nylon rope hanging on the roof of a building and being subjected to severe beatings by 2 adults for having stolen 200 cedis at New Ankasa community near Elubo in the Western region. Suspect Issa Moro, age 58 years, and Suleimana Abdul Rashid, 27 years, who were seen in the video have been arrested. Suspects are currently in police custody assisting investigation. Meanwhile, the victim has received medical attention and handed over to his father. The command assures safety of the public and urges all to report any suspicious or harmful behavior promptly to the nearest police station. Signed, Olivia E.T. Adiku, Superintendent of Police, Head Public Affairs Unit, Western Region. Eti moya de. Yedamase. Send ready to Jano. Mutu wana mo. Emma. Yako mame sa ko fo ya chi pictures no. Omo ya chi omo no. Na me chi obi ro ya o play ye enura e ofrem. Eji papa we no nya 58 years. Na nura. Ona abranti o nya 27 years. Ebu akwara no. Okofa amako. Ebe fa akwara ne be ma ho no. Papa we 58 years papa no. Ona ko fa bako elbe fa akora ne be ma ho abra ne ebo no ena abrantu 27 years yi ono so ena nekuta aba na wo hwe akwara ne sa no tebeda please for us wona me ne kwa kodi kwa mkonkom anwan so na me ni assembly member ekotwi ekobo ona be mo acha na pai ona bo assembly member
hello
boko de
oh nyame adom boko
ya na nyame ase akwara no wote sei
oh nyame adom akwara no ho ye
se akwara ne maame ne papa we
akwara no ne maame afrim na o papa nchen na ote eme ne step mother nchen
no mo se akwara na ya de ntini ya bone sa
oh me dada betia Adom TV ashofo nyina ena no pay President John Mahama betia omo ene IGP ene Ghana police fo nyina yebedam nyina yebechia mu nyina ene anopai afen so asentrofo nyina so anopai nyina yemamwache asemi asi no eya atema che akoma na ti akoma na batan bi ehu asemi a ana o show video ya so DNC abranche ya frano Muhammad ni papa din Edi Muhammad na abranche ankasa ni din di Mustafa nti ni din aye Mustafa Muhammad Asante ni school din ni na abranche oko school na so ya ko school na so pon biara oba bra bi nchen bra ni ya frano Ahmed otokube no one store otokube ni gum nti ya oba ni nchen nti oba nchen asadi e bra no so epe nkoda anafo efa no nti oba bra no eye Ahmed no enu aduane no mu nyina no mu adi na de wo mu ne se Ahmed no ehu sa branch na ba na so ende shom store hamam na me kwa akota ade aba abranchi ekoi no chen sa no na Ahmed na kom ade ye akoda yi ena Ahmed nso ko disika ede share ne antare bi a wo mu nti odi share mu no na ekere se Ahmed no akoda no amu sika sha wenti ekom di ni ende mam koyi na mfa bi ntadi ani sika no na 200 Ghana cedis
okay
ena koyi no koyi no sign 200 cedis no e mu 20 Ghana no yi 20 Ghana no class 20 Ghana no e mu 40 ena odi
etimibo nyam chasenman akora ne fa 200 cedis no emu 4 cedis ena de koto aduane no
ena de koto aduane
ena sesa no ye ne den
nti abranche no ebaaye no ena obisa na sika no ana apa ena so ye me na ekom edem nti obisa nti sika no wahi nti odikan yi 180 Ghana cedis 1.8 no edema ye Ahmed no nti Ahmed no inya egi 1.8 no ena se na dinti na komedi wa wan kan kire me na nipi no na wa fa eyi no nti Ahmed no ekwa branch no papa efi nti okoni fi no kobo papa ma ne se ade an ba yi ni nti ya onkasa kire ne ba no nti papa no ko pe epa Ahmed chaw ema Ahmed nso ti ase ekubu fi nti Ahmed epe fi no na fa se eje isamuro no ono eba be ya sorry babia akwara no mo ete no ne busu apart no ekwo no eye nsungu nti ho no ma so da no ewo nti je samuro no be ya sorry wie no obetra aka kwan no ano ye wo dua bi fi ho a eya ya ye che bi ho ye tena so ye mframa nti je samuro betra no betra ho no te se ye si akwada no awia eyi sika nti oti ye ne de na ye se ofra akwada no so etoto na no nti ba se akwan kan se no kore na wa first kan na omu yusu the Muslim law nti omu Muslim law na omu yusu ya de won se so mu ilusu no ho na omu achechire nsa na omu hange no no mu etumi bonusa no nti omu buni na no papa no elu ho na papa no ware mami no nti abranchi akoda yi ne ma me di wafrim na ne step mother ho
ma many said honorable said step mother wa me no beto ma many step mother ni nkomo ise na me pesa mra chen biem why
ne step mother and oni me nchen sisi na ni nua ba ye abranch no ni nua ba na wo nchen
ya abranch na ya bo ni nua ba na wo nchen
aha
odi nyina fi ma me kro
omo nyina fi ma me kro
ma me abayo ne kasa
okay
Hello.
Na wo papa said wo hwe mo defenti unya kofo obi sika bia beboni.
Hello.
Otimenka?
Me fa chane.
Se na wo papa wo hwe mo nti unya be ma kofo obi sika bia abom ni.
Me fa cha Asem na nkasa na me menyi ho enti me ko fie no. Ena me papa ne ebo mama ne se Asem anka minya no e ko fa blame.
Okay.
Me sa ne se di Asem. It is after my men call now, boss is a couple 7. Na make us okay. Na Pananka send me hoon, a your bamenche. Nananka send me hoon. It's me quite enough planet say, men are 9 chain, a woolly jado. It's not just sense, no Nanka session or motion. Video na me.
Okay.
I'm back late. It's the addition almost sounds smart planet say, on better idea. A wook room, and I'm a chin. Ednet na say o ma hwe awie no ma san so na say beto ade dia endet na ha say o mo anya ho no maba eneja me jaye na me din nsuo esi so na me miam nti ma me mommy ba ko wa ha say ka say yen fa kula ni ko police station Boy already no mabusia for son say. And see my friend me offer baako. Eka che ni say Asem say neti. And she say beya ombra no ka say onu no ni elibo ho sisi e wotu kwan. Nti oba ade chen oba ha se. Ade chen oba no be me ho dai. No say ya ko ni kopi. Ba mi kopi ni e ko mi Asem. Como se fiata. Ah, ele não me move, ele não me dinheiro, olha isso.
Jaya camera, that's all I know what you see.
Ele para na, olha isso.
They will lie, much yes, I'm friend back, my wife. What's the matter? Hello? Hey, line, Munya. It's no other. Me and some friend back, now. Many accolade you eba no eni nkomo enwie so se na nu a esi no akora ne 200 Ghana cedis and odi mu 4 cedis kwato aduane di ye e de se sabre ni peska ne dia eno ho bro e na nu a ye hu ne sa no se ya bo akwada ne ya woro ne ho na according to kremoni pani na no account no se muslim for emra e se akwada bo kro no sa na ya woro ne ho nyina acheche na odua so ya chire na odua so ni abro no etene man ya omi akora ne sa ne be ken se ne me asesa please for etimi achi omo why ne me asesa please for etimi achi sa ni pa me no li sa nyambra asem no na ye do me fa Ghana amambra ekwaso ne atesa akora ne so eho eye me so na mo freke odi mam se sie mo freke odi mame weba mo freke odi mam se sie na when the next picture na mo call independence mo sa brand we. There's a picture of them yomu kisi ewo Ghana ye akwase. But because yan so sanima so yet be show that picture no. Sam ranti we emfiri o man Ghana mu ha. Omo ba so mkwa kwatwa picture ewo ye akwase a omko gayism e na wodom. Gayism e na omko ye o aknase kisi enye kisi nketwa. Mema mienu o ketiwa mienu we. Same makanti kam ye ni we kisi den Kofi Ochidakwe, director of the Diaspora. Kofi, good morning.
Obi ma je mi ya
Na die na ba ya obi atimi abaye mamu akogina ba bia ye gian ye fa hodie na afi de ho na ye bo gazing bray die na see ye
no pay me hu sound for you know a friend say Instagram. Na the ba me chimney say be on pese o make a statement bi ana say wo mo pese wo mo ye bibi mo bia hu o mo kan wasem na no kwasem ni say eye independence monument hono even though we waiting akwa photo no you need permission before you do so. Okay. Security for hono mo bi ka say na security for ne hu ana wo ko bi say permission now the photo on the permission no because you know it's one of the things that also sell Ghana. Menya sure so moko kan se e bia ye twa photo e just say e jina wono ma ye kisi ana bibisa mi hu no just e ha imagine kakra and my main can say personally so we decided to obey gay and that's all yeah whatever you are and only a one was wait me fear for any of them I can't want them but to put it out in the public domain I think it's very very wrong because you know a idea you I am for us as a mind.
Kofi, so as director of Diaspora Affairs at the presidency, when you are new, dear Namoya found.
I know pay my name is him Nakasa, my officer, and who you Rebecca.
I'm going to sue my move and information just so
mean to me, because you know, me even post the crown, it didn't show who they are. It was just a random post of Mema, you know. 3 different pictures of Mujina Independence Monument. But already, you send them a police for no more, or said yes, you know, on between Tracy uncle for yes, idea.
Kofi Afe na office no akọ hwem mudie yenya ohadom ye besa ba nche
you back your hene
Kofi Ochidakwe, director of Diaspora Affairs our presidency na mate send no etwe enko no man kwabra sante atena se o ma so hu picture ni bi
well me hu bi na I don't know. So at a point, Meka say how a very revered place in Ekwasi Etutuna JJ. There was a time when Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, Omukudi, the 6th of March, I think Cape Coast also. And the Huyan a young man by name Cheddar. I could raising and said to pictures all lunch. I've forgotten that he said then UB crash use. It's this exchange cryptocurrency the version be another day by yeah. And you know, some of us we said say those are areas that are sacred. So the preservation should be right. I'm surprised also security for Yankasa, we don't put premium on some of these things that we have. We don't cherish it. Again, there's a big of a challenge for me when we say there will be, Abia and Asem. Baby Obia Koyana, Asem. And that's how I find it difficult that mining to me see Jinaye on this LGBTQ matters, the last time I reminded all of us, the Sam George and the team, almost sorry, the Pentecostal charismatic Muslim communities, they were almost sorry, I didn't believe say this thing is going to sleep, honestly. Unfortunately or fortunately, I hear the president believes that the private members bill not yet. Is not going to encourage that, but working through the Attorney General to ensure that's where we are. Yeah. But in Sijinaye, Ebema all these things. Makafiti last week, I said East Legon, Kumasi, Bantima, Crowfrom, some of the areas, open gay parties. Makotombi.
Arel.
Yeah.
Arel.
Makotombi. I was shocked. Maybe I'm a woman. So it's happening. I catch us a Lagos Street crowd up at Najube 12, 1 a.m. Yeah. Almost found directly on the street. Yeah. Car boot, car bonnet. Directly at that time. I mean, Obia, street boy, Unim 11 to 5 a.m. They see was a free GT Bank or Echo First Atlantic. Echo, sir, he been there, the restaurants, the nightclub, in the show. Yes, sad stretch.
The stretch 24.
Yeah. Yeah. I street. If you're a street boy, 11 to 5 a.m., open sex.
Yeah.
And the kind of things they cost you on, the street. That's all we are corporate, not to be out there, sorry, they're not the bank there. Yeah, 25. I'm telling you, a lot is happening on the blind side. On the street, it is the street. I'm telling you. Yeah, on the street is the street. On the street is the street.
Yeah.
I've kept saying this moment. Regaining our identity. We've lost it. We've opened our doors unnecessarily wide. We have to put some checks and balances.
I also even think such areas. Me now be I can say Coco picture today. I remember Adom call Israel. Ye now say back to there's a tall guy who is trained by the Israeli government.
Until we get to but until we get to know the relevant. I said I'm catch me call Lake Bosomtri. Yeah. Onipa no odi many more church and the move people the church my dear. Oh man, I appreciate it. Such a place. So Ghana Tourist Authority for no more can be bad because nti ho ba me free kan ba ma me call Lake Bosomtri. Nipa o share me na nkasa kra no opam me free ade na me interest be. And what being said ja. Yeah. Young man onim from A to Z. The only two attention say onimade na oye no. Sure. But say who na the nipa buy it to put you off.
A bit true.
So it's a good thing. Now a cry shema ubi ko for sika. You hanging it said here. Can you imagine,